Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Thank you so much for watching my video daily, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell so you know the time that I release my video. Today we want to talk about something that's very dear to me, very important to me. It's like a principle. It's like something that I do every single day, and I started 2 years ago. And it literally changed my life, and my life is continually evolving and changing. And I want to share this with you, and so this way you can also have a very fabulous life. 3 things that you need to change in your life. And if you can do it immediately, you will see result within a week or so. Anybody give me applause for that? Okay, so what is the 3 things that you need to do to change your life? Number 1, health. Simple, everybody know, right? If you're not healthy, how are you going to have a better life? And number 2, friends and family. Nobody can live the life without support from friends and family. We're talking about emotional support. How can you do it without your loved one in your life? Number 3, wealth, money. Without money, you're not going to have a life that you want. So those 3 things are very, very important, especially at a time like this right now. More than 80% of people is living paycheck by paycheck. And these people work 12 hours a day, 10 hours a day. And did you know there's only 24 hours a day? So if you're working 50% of 24 hours a day, then what is the quality of your life? Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers. I made a couple of videos talk about this already. 2 years ago I lost over 25 pounds. And in the beginning, people just kind of told me that, oh, it's a gimmick, you're going to get all your weight back. Hello, look at me 2 years later. Still not too bad, right? Losing weight is actually not that hard. And I truly believe that it doesn't matter what type of diet plan you're on, they're all going to work. However, are you able to keep this weight off? That's the challenge part. So what I'm doing right now is creating the optimal health lifestyle. It's beginning with the mindset right here, right? If I can change it here, then I can change it over here. It's all in here. And I can do it without the support of my friend and the community. And that's something so important. I would say 60% of people, you are in denial. You are just worried that you're just scared to making that one step. I gotta tell you, you just gotta do it. And what's amazing about our community is that it's not just only me sharing my story. Doesn't matter if it's 5 pounds, 100 pounds, or 200 pounds. The journey is the same. The experience that you're gonna receive is the same. The joy that you're gonna experience is the same. So don't let people tell you that you cannot do it. You can do it if you want to do it. So it begins with your mind. Number 2, friends and family. In the past 2 years, it's a global pandemic, right? We are suffering, not able to connect with our loved one. And now things are slowly open up right now. But are you really have a good relationship with your friends and family? I'm going to tell you that more than 60% of people right now, they do not have a good relationship with friends and family. It could cause from various reasons. I'm going to say something that you are not going to like about this, okay? But I got to be honest. If you have a bad relationship or you lost connect with your friends and family, don't blame on them. Look at yourself. Why is they do not want to contact you? Why is your friends and family not look up to you? I feel like we need to be proactive in your life instead blame on somebody else like most of people do. Yep, people do that a lot, believe it or not. They blame on this. It's never your fault. It's always someone else's fault. If you have that mindset, it will be hard for you to have a successful life. So you got to take that away. Look at yourself right now. Look at yourself very closely. Say, why is I'm not desirable? What can I do to make myself desirable? So my friends and family want to hang out with me. Am I just always negative, complain everything in life? You don't realize that until you really look at yourself very closely. That's something that most people do not want to admit that. But I guarantee you, if you can change that, I have a tip to help you change that at the end of the video. So then your friends and family will be like, oh my goodness, I want to be just like you. You are living a fabulous life. You go to this thing all the time. You look great. You're happy. I want to be with you. I want to know what are you drinking. What are you doing? You're so happy. I want to be there with you. Versus, I don't want to deal with you right now. You are emotional train wreck. Every day there's a new drama. Every day something happened to you. And there's always an accident on the freeway when you come to work. Yeah, those people you really want to stay away from. So we can change all that. Number 3. Now let's talk about money. Money. Majority of the people in the US or even around the world that you are living paycheck by paycheck. And to get your paycheck, it requires you working at a specific place for a long period of time. So average work hour is 8.5 hours a day. Some people work 12 hours a day. Depends what you do, right? And that also requires commute to your job. So you're looking at easily 14 hours the time that you are working or doing something related to work. There's only 24 hours a day. So if you spend 50% of your time working, then you have a leftover time you're gonna spend on what we need as a human, sleep and human stuff, right? And only leave you a very little time left to enjoy your life. So is that a life that you want to do? Have you thought about that? I'm my own boss right now, so I work certain amount of hour, even more. But that every moment that I'm doing work, I know I'm building a future for myself. I am in total control what I want to do for my life. If I decide I don't want to work today, I don't need to do anything. So there's a freedom of what I can do. And the money that I am making, it's unlimited. Now we talk about 3 things: health, friends and family, and money. What is this one thing that you can do to have all 3? Leave a comment below if you know there's something that you can do to have all 3 in very short amount of time. Let me know, because I know what I'm doing right now and it's working pretty darn good for me, and I'd love to share that with you. So this is what I want to do right now. I have a huge goal what I want to do. Besides Yibu Beauty, I'm focused on my social media, 2 YouTube channel. Mr. Journal cover beauty, lifestyle. One Step Adventure cover theme park and travel. I'm doing health coaching, not only changing my life, also helping other people changing their life or saving their life. I want to put together a small team. I want to try to share this small group of people to also change their life. So if you want to be part of my team, message me. And this is really target for the people who live in USA only. I'm not able to help you outside the USA yet, but right now we want to try a small team. I'm just looking for 10 to 20 people, very small. Not only I want to change that, I want to document our progress. I think that would be so fantastic that we can share to people, share to your loved ones, say that you are taking control of your life, you are changing your life, and your change is not only just for you, also for your friends and family, and you're gonna build an empire that you always want in your life. What are you waiting for? Message me now. All right, I hope you liked today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.